A is for amazing. Look at that big red A. It's full of adventure. A is for apple. Juicy, round, and red, like our letter. A is for angel, a heavenly helper, full of love and light. A is for adventure. Let's explore, discover, and dream big. A is for Africa, a land of colors, cultures, and amazing stories. A is the start of something awesome. Can you say A? Let's say it together. A. B is for brave. Look at that bold blue bee. It's flying high like a superhero. B is for blessing, glowing hands, kind hearts, and love that shines. B is for butterfly, fluttering wings, full of color and joy. B is for bright, like the smiling sun lighting up our day. B is for Bible, a book of truth, hope, and heavenly wisdom. B is for bold and beautiful things. Can you say B? Let's say it together. C is for creative. Look at that colorful letter C. It's painting the world with imagination. C is for cat. Soft, playful, and always curious. C is for cloud. Fluffy and floating high in the sky. C is for caring, sharing love, hugs, and kindness with others. C is for Christ, a light of love, peace, and truth for every heart. C is for calm, caring, and creative hearts. Can you say C? Let's say it together. C, C. D is for dream. Close your eyes and imagine the stars dancing above your bed. D is for dance. Joyful moves, happy feet, and music that makes us smile. D is for dove, a gentle bird of peace flying with hope in its wings. D is for delight, big smiles, bright eyes, and hearts full of happiness. D is for digital, smart tools that help us learn, play, and grow every day. D is for dreams, delight, and dancing hearts. Can you say D? Let's say it together. D. E is for explore. Grab your magnifying glass and let's discover something new. E is for elephant. Big ears, long trunk, and a gentle heart. E is for earth, our colorful home full of life, love, and learning. E is for empathy, caring for others, sharing kindness, and showing love. E is for epistle, a special message filled with wisdom and truth. E is for eyes, ears, and exploring hearts. Can you say E? Let's say it together. E. F is for fish. Splashing through the water with bubbles and bright colors. F is for flower, blooming with beauty, joy, and sunshine. F is for fox, clever, curious, and quick on its feet. F is for faith, trusting, praying, and believing in good things. F is for fun, jumping, laughing, and celebrating together. F is for faith, fun, and friendly faces. Can you say F? Let's say it together. F. G is for goat. With curly horns and a cheerful smile, it's ready to play. G is for grow, watering seeds, watching leaves stretch toward the sun. G is for guitar, strumming strings and singing songs with joy. G is for grace, open arms, gentle hearts, and kindness that shines. G is for globe, our big beautiful world full of people, places, and peace. G is for grace, growth, and good things. Can you say G? Let's say it together. G. is for home, a cozy place filled with love, laughter, and warm hugs. H is for heart, beating with kindness, joy, and care for others. H is for hope, planting dreams and watching them grow in the light. H is for happy, big smiles, bright eyes, and moments that shine. H is for hallelujah, lifting our voices with joy and praise. H is for hope, happiness, and hearts full of love. Can you say H? Let's say it together. H. I is for idea, a bright light bulb moment that sparks something new. I is for inspire, lifting others up with kindness, courage, and love. I is for island, peaceful waves, palm trees, and sunshine all around. I is for include, everyone belongs, every voice matters. I is for Isaiah, a message of wisdom, hope, and truth. I is for ideas, inclusion, and inspiration. Can you say I? Let's say it together. I. Hello, little learners. Today's joyful journey is all about the letter J. J is for jump. Can you jump like a kangaroo? Jump. J is for jelly. Wiggly, jiggly, yummy jelly. J is for jacket. Zip it up when it's chilly outside. J is for juice. Slurp, slurp, delicious and fresh. J is for jaguar, fast and fierce in the jungle. Let's say it together. J. Great job! Hello, little learners. Today we're kicking off with the letter K. K is for kangaroo. Boing, boing. Can you hop like a kangaroo? K is for kite. Watch it fly high in the sky. K is for key. Turn it to open a treasure chest. K is for kiwi. Fuzzy outside, yummy inside. K is for king. Wearing a crown and ruling kindly. Let's say it together. K. Amazing job.
Hello, little learners. Now we are learning the lovely letter L. L is for lion. Roar like a lion with a golden mane. Roar. L is for lemon. Bright and yellow. Sour and sunny. L is for ladder. Step by step. Climbing up to the rainbow. L is for leaf. Soft and green. Floating gently from the tree. L is for lamp. It glows orange and helps us read and learn.
M is for monkey brown, swing and smile. M is for moon white, shining bright at night. M is for mango orange, sweet and sunny. M is for milk white, healthy and strong. M is for mountain blue, tall and mighty. 1 monkey swing, 2 moon twirls, 3 mango claps, 4 milk sips, 5 mountain steps.
Little learners, let's explore the neat and nurturing letter N. N is for nest brown, soft and safe. N is for net blue, catch and play. N is for nose pink, sniff and smell. N is for necklace gold, shiny and special. N is for night black, stars and dreams. N is for nurture and new ideas. Shared around the world. Let's keep learning. Open your eyes. It's time for the outstanding letter O. O is for octopus purple, wiggly and wonderful. O is for orange orange, juicy and bright. O is for owl brown, wise and wide-eyed. O is for ocean blue, splash and swim. O is for onion white, layers and flavor. O is for open hearts and oceans of learning, shared around the world. Let's play and learn with the powerful letter P. P is for penguin black and white, waddle and slide. P is for pumpkin orange, round and festive. P is for pencil yellow, write and draw. P is for parrot green, talk and fly. P is for paint multicolor, splash and create. P is for play and possibility, shared around the world. Quick learners, gather round, it's time for the curious letter Q. Q is for queen purple, royal and kind. Q is for quilt multicolor, warm and cozy. Q is for quail brown, small and speedy. Q is for question blue, think and ask. Q is for quiet gray, soft and calm. Q is for questions and quiet moments, shared around the world. Ready to roar? Let's race into the radiant letter R. R is for rainbow, multicolor, shiny and bright. R is for robot silver, beep and move. R is for rose red, soft and sweet. R is for ring, gold, round and shiny. R is for rocket, white and red, zoom to the stars. R is for reach and radiance, shared around the world. Say hello to the super letter S, full of surprises. S is for sun, yellow, bright and warm. S is for snake, green, slither and smile. S is for star white, twinkle and shine. S is for socks, multicolor, cozy and fun. S is for sandwich brown, yummy and stacked. S is for shine and sharing, shared around the world. Tap your toes, it's time for the terrific letter T. T is for tiger, orange and black. Roar and run. T is for tree green, tall and leafy. T is for train blue, choo-choo and go. T is for tomato red, juicy and round. T is for tent yellow, camp and play. T is for togetherness and travel, shared around the world. Up, up, and away. Let's uncover the unique letter U. U is for umbrella red. Pop it open when it rains. U is for unicorn pink. Magical and bright. U is for uniform blue, neat and proud. U is for utensils, silver. Spoon and fork for eating. U is for under brown, hide and seek. Let's name the colors. Red, pink, blue, silver, brown. 1 umbrella spin, 2 unicorn trots, 3 uniform salutes, 4 utensil taps, 5 under crouches. U is for unity and uniqueness, shared around the world. Very excited to learn today. Let's visit the vibrant letter V. V is for violin, brown. Play a sweet song. V is for volcano, red. Boom and glow. V is for vegetables, green, healthy and crunchy. V is for vest, blue. Zip it up. V is for van, yellow. Drive and explore. Let's name the colors. Brown, red, green, blue, yellow. 1 violin strum, 2 volcano jumps, 3 veggie crunches, 4 vest zips, 5 van rolls. V is for voice and variety, shared around the world. Wave hello. It's time for the wonderful letter W. W is for whale, blue, big and splashy. W is for watermelon, green and red, juicy and sweet. W is for watch, silver, tick-tock time. W is for wings, white, fly and flap. W is for window, yellow, look outside. Let's name the colors. Blue, green, red, silver, white, yellow. 1 whale splash, 2 watermelon bites, 3 watch taps, 4 wing flaps, 5 window waves. W is for wonder and welcome, shared around the world. X marks the spot. Let's explore the exciting letter X. X is for xylophone, multicolor, tap and play. X is for X-ray, blue, see inside. X is for fox, ends in X. Orange, quick and clever. X is for box, ends in X. Brown, open and close. X is for mix, ends in X. Rainbow, blend and swirl. Let's name the colors. Multicolor, blue, orange, brown, rainbow. 1 xylophone tap, 2 X-ray scans, 3 fox jumps, 4 box flips, 5 mix swirls. X is for exploration and expression, shared around the world. Yes, you're here to learn the yellow bright letter Y. Y is for yo-yo, red, up and down. Y is for yak, brown, furry and strong. Y is for yarn, pink, twist and weave. Y is for yogurt, white, cool and creamy. Y is for yellow, yellow, bright and sunny. Let's name the colors. Red, brown, pink, white, yellow. 1 yo-yo spin, 2 yak stomps, 3 yarn twirls, 4 yogurt scoops, 5 yellow jumps. Y is for yes and youth, shared around the world. Zip into learning. It's time for the zesty letter Z. Z is for zebra, black and white. Stripe and trot. Z is for zipper, silver. Zip it up. Z is for zoo, multicolor, animals all around. Z is for zigzag, yellow, twist and turn. Z is for zero, blue. Start from nothing. Let's name the colors. Black, white, silver, multicolor, yellow, blue. 1 zebra trot, 2 zipper zips, 3 zoo waves, 4 zigzag steps, 5 zero.